discuss very important topic, header tag. Which one? Header tag. So how to implement header tag your website? Header tag implementation, one is the static, second will be dynamic. So coming to first of all, I'm explaining about the static website and dynamic also. First I'm showing for dynamic. Dynamic implement by developers. So what is the task for your company? First of all, what are the page you design? Select by Control U. Select by Control U. Control F. Select your H1 tag. H1 tag is there. So the H1 tag will be using for in your page. So same like that, we can using for Control U, Control F, H1 tag. Using here H1 tag. What is H1 tag? Season or swimming pool. Is it clear? Next. Coming to your profile. Control U, Control F. H1 is there? No H1 tag. So compulsory as a SEO rule, every page looking for H1 tag compulsory. So you can add H1 tag by starting using by cPanel. So what are the page you did not have the H1 tag? Simply you can create by notepad, copy, no H1 tag. Every page you can check it manually. How many page you work, you can check the each and every page. So same like service, Control U, Control F. H1 is there? No H1 tag. So this all page you can check by the one by one. This all will be checked by where? One by one. Each and every page you can check right by the H1 tag. How to write in developer, I'll explain in the class. Next one, coming to each and every page. Here, Control U, Control F. Is there? What is my H1 tag is? Movie to is the my H1 tag. Why? Is a my page headline. Every headline is compulsory. We can use the H1 tag. And same content. The H1 tag is my headline. This is my H1 tag. Why? Heading of the content. In a dynamic, easily you can design by the H1 tag. So how we can design? First of all, log in your admin panel. Dynamic using for admin, static using for cPanel. So admin panel no require for any kind of coding. Only cPanel looking for coding. The coding will be only for using static websites. So I'm selecting for YouTube here. I'm selecting any YouTube trending news. I'm selecting this video. Always remember what are your title copied by any YouTube or any website. First of all, you can paste by notepad. Always you are keeping in mind. Aitya Varma official movie official trailer. So this one. So come into your videos. Add new video. Select your this one and movie related latest news. So I'm submit for here. You can go this one where videos. So what is my headline? This is my headline. Which one? Aditya Varma movie official release is my headline. This is my H1 tag. Control A. Select it. Careful watch. Control U. How to check? Control F. Control V. See the H1 tag. Was your title tag is automatically displayed by the H1 tag by dynamic website. Why? Is heading of the content. Every page, what is my title tag is my H1 tag. Admin panel, any kind of dynamic website, no need to worry about the coding. Just you can use admin panel. What are the title tag? Automatically convert by H1 tag. If it is not kind of H1 tag, intimate to developer, you can push on it. Compulsory as your SEO analyst, your role is every web page H1 tag compulsory you can maintain. H1 tag compulsory you maintain your website. Is it clear? This is very important rule by your website. Which one? H1 tag. Each page H1 tag compulsory. Now you can come into your static websites. Now I'm discussing about the static website, how to implement by H1 tag. First, home page, previous profile, no H1 tag. Open the profile, Control U, Control F, H1. Is there an H1 tag? First, you can decide where you can add the H1 tag. I'm adding, this is my H1 tag. I'm intimate to this. Which one? Welcome to season swimming pool. So go to cPanel, File Manager. What the page name? Profile.html. In this public underscore HTML, which one? The page profile, where you can go for edit. These are all tasks done by who? Developers. I'm showing into your class. So where is the name called? Season indoor swimming pool. So we can check this one. Careful to code here. Check yes. Previous what the code is? H2. H2 is a subheading. I'm changing which one? Main heading. So in H2 replace, I'm writing for which one? H1. And changing for H1. So always remember the code will be like this. This is a syntax. This is a open, this is a close. Close compulsory required. If you not close, the not fulfill is the H1 tag. In the replace of H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, we're writing for this one. But in every web page, we're checking only for SEO. H1 tag is one compulsory. SEO, H1 tag, one compulsory each and every page. Now I can save changes. Previous how many H1 tags? 0. And refresh. Control F. Done. How much time taken? The small time. Where you can put in H1 tag, send to developer, they update by where? cPanel. Now, next page we can go for. Where you can go for? Services. Control U, Control F. Is H1 tag? 0. First you can decide which is my H1 tag. So which one I can go H1 tag? Here I'm changing for small name. Season swimming pool services. I'm changing small name is a rename for the season swimming pools services. So I'll go to back. We're in the cPanel, or the page name is services.html. Where you can go for cPanel. Is there my page? Right click, edit, and edit your option. So So where's my page name? You can check it out. What is the spelling? You can check by one scroll the page. That is a compulsory required. I know my page, but you have any design your website, compulsory check by one. Only except static, remain all will be no using coding. Only static will be using for codings. That was used by which one? Developers. You just intimate this is my H1 tag to write down where website. Yeah. Was that here? See the in the swimming pool. What I'm writing for? Services. H1. Is it clear? Now previous in H1 tag is there? 0. I can refresh. Control F. Added. What is the H1 tag? Season, swimming pool, services. Is clear? So this is called to implement by H1 tag for each and every pages. Compulsory H1 tag to maintain the each and every pages compulsory. Static will using for cPanel, dynamic using for admin panel. In dynamic also some static ways are there. Which one? Home, about and contact using by cPanel. Dynamic pages, admin panel. Static pages, cPanel. Please note down.